Welcome to the Craft Cocktail. I'm Derek.
I'm Dan.
Haha, yes. Today we're making the Chicago Southside.
Chicago.
The other one we did was the Southside.
Yes.
This is different.
This is its bitter. It's bitter sister.
This is bitter sister.
Bitter sister.
Yeah, it's like the Wicked Witch.
Yes.
Ounce and a half. This recipe is an ounce and a half of London dry gin. 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. The other recipe we did had lemon.
Yes.
3/4 ounce of simple syrup, so they balance each other out perfectly. 7 dashes of Angostura, which comes out to about 7 ml. 10 mint leaves, 1 mint leaf garnish. And it's that simple. Did you have enough?
Just about.
Okay.
Thanks for.
So that's not really.
So lots of mint.
So we killed this. Yep.
Kill it.
So this recipe is different than different from the South Side. Might still be from Chicago. We don't necessarily know which came from New York, which came from Chicago. Theoretically, this should be from Chicago. It's called the Chicago South Side. There's a space between South and Side. That's actually significant. It makes it a completely different drink. I like this one a little bit better than the South Side because, I don't know, it's a little bit more creative and tasty, and it's the Angostura bitters.
This is the bitters.
If you like
bitters, yeah.
If you like Angostura bitters, you do that every time.
Don't do that because then you pour it in and it's a lot.
Yeah, I know. That's why you hold the tip. Yeah, there you go.
You need me to hold the tip?
It gets sticky.
Yes. Hold on, I'll hold the tip very gently as I pull.
You better be gentle. You want
7 dashes?
7 dashes.
7 dashes?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I should probably not count while you're counting. That is annoying.
It's like 7.5.
7.5. How do you get a half dash?
Yeah, I'm good.
That's fine. There's a link within the ebook on homecocktailmenu.com where you can get this specific ebook. It's Easy Gin Cocktails. That goes to the Reddit discussion that I had with an individual, Cookmundo, I believe his name was, that kind of broke up the difference between the two drinks. Resources. It's useful.
So what do you think? Muddling mint? Or just shaking in the glass? You think it's a big difference?
Yes. If you muddle it, well, there's a presentation. So from a presentation standpoint, that's not going to be in here.
Yeah.
You have a second strainer?
Yes.
You do?
Of course I do.
You don't know where it is.
I do. It's right here.
If you do this, oh, this one still has some mint in it.
Yes.
If you do this, it's going to have no real mint chunkies in it, right? Where with a muddle, you're going to have the mint at the bottom. It's gonna saturate into the drink a little bit more. It's going to be a little bit over mintified, which is good for mojitos because there's so much club soda.
Yes.
In this type of drink, I think muddling it would be a little too much.
Yeah, but you think that brings out the same flavor? The same amount of?
I think that if you muddle it, you're going to get more. Because you're pressing the mint leaves. You're getting more of the oils. And its mint can be overpowering. In a small drink like this, that's like under 4.5 ounces, I think too much mint is too much mint. Is that a new saying?
It's kind of a new saying.
That's kind of new. Do I have a...
It's good to be...
That.
Well, we got it.
That.
What you want? You want that?
No, I just want you to take that mint and put it on there because it's going to be awesome.
I'm trying. You keep rushing me.
Well, I've only got 4 minutes here.
Boom.
That, my friends, looks pretty good. So we'll put this over here so that the cool camera can get it. Cool camera. See the difference in color?
I see the difference in
All
color.
Angostura bitters happening. The
bitters, lime. I think it's a better combination than the regular Southside.
Yeah. I just like the allspice, the clove, just that kind of the trade spices. Yet it still brings the sourness. And the mint comes through with the mint, from start to finish. You get the mintiness. Fantastic.
It's fantastic.
I like it.
It's refreshing.
Yep. It's good.
The bitter makes you want to keep drinking it.
It's got enough dashes to justify having an entire bottle of bitters.
Exactly.
Because this is not going to last you 17 years. You make 5, 6 of these a night, which we do without even a problem. You're going to bust through a bottle of bitters. You've gone through a bottle of bitters.
I've gone through a bottle of bitters.
No, up until a couple of years ago,
this bitter's good.
I never thought I would ever get through a bottle of bitters. But when you make drinks like this, which we do a lot, you end up with needs for more Angostura bitters. And they're not too expensive.
No.
So it's a worthy drink combination.
And your other co-host, Ian, he likes the bitter drinks.
Ian likes bitter drinks. He likes bitter
Trinidad
drinks.
sour.
Yeah, things that are more bitter than this. less.
Oh, definitely.
But this drink is good. I think it's a great introduction to Angostura bitters for people who just like, I just put 2 bitters in my Manhattan. I don't know what I did. This will give you more of an appreciation.
Yes.
You're going to get more flavor along with that gin. For this, I would go with London Dry to get a little bit more ripping juniper. We went through and killed our Bombay Sapphire Standard Edition. You can use American. I'm not going to tell anybody.
No.
You can go to homecocktailmenu.com, download the ebook, or click right below. That's it. That's how we suggest you make the Chicago Southside.
Drink it. We're not in the middle of anything.
Sorry. You can walk out.
Go ahead. Here.
That's why I edit. See, it doesn't matter. Ready?